Alright guys, it's Tio here, and in this video real quick I want to show you how I'm going to be coupling these drums. If you need a good affordable, like a professional drum set, you can reach out to us. This is going to a church. This is for a church. I just want to couple it up here, have it set. I have a drum tech that's going to do the final tuning and everything, alignment in the church. So I'm just doing this video so that I can show you everything that comes with the drums if you're getting the drums from me. So let's get into it. Bye. So if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Alright. So you can order the drums from me. I have some couple of products here. I can work with your budgets. These are all the Venoms. These are the hi-hats. Cymbals. Drum chain. Snare chain. Hi-hat stand. This is cymbal stand, I guess. This is the chair stand. And we have the drums here. This is the cage. Stom 1. You can see how beautiful the drum is. Yeah, fresh and clean. Can you see? Fresh and clean. With the rims. We have to go. This is a snare with the rims. So this is the Tom 2. Tom 2 with all the bolt and nuts inside. Then the chair. This is the chair under. We have the floor tom. And of course we have kick. Is there anything else I'm missing? All of the screws are inside this place. It comes with a pair of drumstick also. And yeah, that's fine. All of the screws. So everything you need comes with the drum. Everything you need to start up comes with the drum. I'm going to do a set of video later on. Just stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow. If you need the drum set, let me know also.